Designed fast, designed tough.
Get ready to race and rally with the Max Action Monster Truck. Activate the color-shifting lights as the bright orange monster truck races down the open road towards action-packed fun. Push one of the 4 buttons to hear the power of the rumbling engine, tires screeching, and other realistic vehicle sounds. The toy vehicle has a motorized engine and huge tires. With all the incredible features, kids' imaginations will be kicked into high gear as they engage in creative pretend play. Protect your town with this police SUV vehicle. This police SUV makes 3 different realistic sounds. You can turn on your sirens, honk the horn, or rev the engines. Push the button to activate the motorized engine and speed to your next destination. The lights flash when you push the buttons for maximum fun. Max Action. Maximum action, maximum fun.